Mark Cuban transferring all his assets to Xrp to $25,000. According to a post on Ripple's website with comments from key executives, the company predicts that the incoming Biden administration will likely refocus on regulation and enforcement in the cryptocurrency field. Welcome to the Finance Up channel. If you liked this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Do you think the analysts are right about Xrp? Write the answers in the comments. Giving away 500 Xrp at the end of the week. One random subscriber will receive Xrp coins. Take a look at the instructions in the comments section. All you need to do is write the word Xrp, watch the video to the end, to like and subscribe. Cryptocurrencies have no use in real life, they are too complex and risky for 99% of the population, billionaire Mark Cuban believes. He claims that Bitcoin has no real value, and even baseball cards, comics and other art objects are endowed with great meaning. Bitcoin costs as much as it will be paid for. Baseball cards, comics, and art objects have no intrinsic value. They may look good on the wall, but there's not much you can do with them. With Bitcoin, you can do even less. At least I can look at an art piece and say, wow, Cuban explained. He added that cryptocurrencies are not protected from hacking, they carry a lot of issues that need to be resolved. The billionaire compared digital money with gold and stressed that the precious metal will also not save in the event of global economic crises. Gold is a religion. Gold investors claim that when everything goes to hell, you will be fine if you invest in gold. That's not so. If you drag around with a gold bar, someone will take it away from you, the entrepreneur believes. He added that it would be better to invest in bananas than in cryptocurrency. According to Cuban, bananas can be eaten, unlike digital money. The billionaire concluded that Bitcoin can become a means of accumulation at best. Quote, Ripple Labs has been embroiled in a legal battle with the SEC, which seems to be taking over. Ripple won several small victories in a case that could help it prove that, contrary to the SEC's claims, its cryptocurrency Xrp is not a security. Be that as it may, all this may be crossed out by the expected White House report in the coming months. Fox Business journalists Charles Gasparino and Eleanor Terrett reported in a recent tweet that their sources close to the SEC case against Ripple believe that the expected White House report on cryptocurrency could classify Xrp as a security. These sources believe that the SEC may delay the case to stretch it out until this summer, when a White House report on cryptocurrency is expected. Although the details of this report are unknown, the cryptocurrency market is awaiting an executive order from the White House this month. Last month, the Biden-led government announced plans to issue an executive order on cryptocurrency as a national security issue. Quote, the new development was met with doubt by the Xrp community. Community members who actively followed the case wondered if it was possible for an executive order to overturn the current court case. Xrp supporter and YouTuber Mickey B. Fresh said that due to the system of checks and balances of the three branches of government, the decision of the executive branch is unlikely to affect the court case. Twitter user, TAIGXRP, intervened, pointing out that the White House does not have the authority to classify Xrp as a security in the midst of ongoing litigation, or does not have the right at all. In the last few weeks, the lawsuit between Ripple and the SEC has gained momentum. Several key decisions were made on the petition submitted by both sides. The last motion on which a decision was made was rejected in Ripple's motion to close certain documents from the public. The court ruled that the document, which contains messages from Ripple executives to third parties, should be made public. Earlier, the court ruled that the SEC had to abandon the listed documents in order not to disclose them due to the privilege of the deliberative process, DPP. Ripple has visibly demonstrated resilience in the face of regulatory pressure. At the end of last month, the fintech company announced a share buyback during a Series C financing round in 2019, which failed. With a $200 million buyout, Ripple's valuation jumped to $15 billion. The Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, headed by Gary Gensler, has repeatedly expressed its concern about spot funds traded on the Bitcoin exchange, ETF. In fact, the chairman believes that there is no infrastructure designed to prevent fraudulent and manipulative actions and practices. According to the agency, this will not serve the intention of the SEC to protect investors and public interests. In a recent interview with Fox Business, Gensler reiterated his point of view, given the growing regulatory uncertainty. Moreover, Various applicants or funds, including Grayscale, VanEck, etc., do not meet the requirements of regulatory authorities. This time Gensler confirmed his position, stating, "I keep saying, work with the SEC, register in accordance with securities laws." Quote, "It's weighted by probability, but you have 75, 500 or 1000 tokens on your platform. It is unlikely that none of them is a security guard." Quote, "In order for a Bitcoin ETF to win the day, its issuer must enter into what the SEC calls a joint surveillance agreement with another large compliance-focused market where the asset is traded. Bitcoin futures trading on the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, CME, appears to fit this pattern." According to Gensler, CME has had a regulated market since 2017. On the contrary, the latter, spot ETF, clearly does not quite have a framework for underwriting. Having said that, various critics of the BTC futures ETF have pointed out the possibility of using them for pricing, unlike spot Bitcoin. This can lead to a decrease in performance. Futures, as a rule, are traded at a premium to the underlying asset, although they can also be traded at a discount. The SEC pursued Ripple over allegations that XRP is an unregistered security. On the contrary, Ethereum was given the green light by regulatory authorities, and now ETH is considered not a security. When asked about this in the aforementioned interview, Gensler declined to comment in detail. However, he said that the conceptual basis was public investment of money, expecting profit, at the expense of the efforts of others. He added, "Raising money from the public issue is the main transaction of full and fair disclosure of information and protection against fraud. And you register with a government agency called the Securities and Exchange Commission, and that's really what we're trying to do, help continue this basic transaction." Quote, the SEC chairman added, "We are technologically neutral if people want to invest or speculate in this area. Then these tokens and, most importantly, the platforms to which trading and credit platforms come are registered. They do it within the framework of the law, without trying to circumvent the law." Quote, various Twitter users are unhappy with these responses. For example, Liz Hoffman, executive director of the Wall Street Journal, believes that Gensler casts a shadow on crypto companies. After falling below its 4-month benchmark, red, at $0.82, XRP quickly refused to touch its 6-month low on January 22. After that, the bulls intervened to protect the 10-month support of $0.56. As a result, after recovering by 67, the live XRP price today is $0.88 United States dollars with a 24-hour trading volume of $3,740,000,000 United States dollars. We update our XRP to USD price in real time. XRP is down 0.4% in the last 24 hours. Do you think XRP will be able to win the court and restore its former price? Write the answers in the comments. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you liked it, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel.